What is talking? What is example? What is a discovery? I'm just stuck in the definition. I know that if I keep on in this way, it's easy for me to lose the happiness of talking.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, elaborate more. Help us understand more.
Okay, understand more?
Yeah.
What is understand? Understand more? What's the difference between understanding, know, just stuck in the definition of the language?
Gotcha. You're stuck in the definition of the language. That makes more sense to me.
Yeah.
I understand you. I get it. We're stuck in the definition of the language and we can't leave those boundaries, right?
Yeah, you're right. But is that really boundaries?
Do
Is that really
boundaries even
boundaries?
exist?
That's a good question. Do boundaries even exist, or because of your mindset? What is boundary? You consider it as a boundary. But the truth is that really a boundary?
I have boundaries. Do you?
I think that everyone has boundaries. So what are your boundaries like?
My creator makes the boundaries.
Your creator? Creator. What is your creator? What is my creator? Does everyone have creator?
I will share my screen and I will help you with the English first. Creator, creator. They're different. They're different words here. Do you know that, Lynn?
Creator, creator.
Better. Great job. Great job, Lynn. Yep, you got it.
Creator.
There you go.